Hi and welcome to a Snazzy Kaleidoscope generator. When you've unzipped the file that you downloaded, you'll have these images in there. 1, 2, capture 2, you got the index dex. Now you can change that to index, just doesn't make any difference. My image, pizza, and the prefix free min.js. So that's all you need for this to run on your desktop. And if you double click on that, you'll see that it'll come up on your favorite browser that you have as your default. So what I want to do in this video is show you how to change a few things in the HTML. So we're going to open it up with Notepad, and of course we'll bring it over across here so you can see what's going on. You do that so that I can bring this bottom part down and across. And the reason why is I want to get, there we go. I wanted to get the sliding bar here. Okay, so we're going to slide right down. There's nothing you need to change in here. If you're going to put this on a web page, then you'll need to watch a different video that I'll produce, where it actually has a config file and you can fill all that information. And because this is a PHP script, all these tags here will be replaced with the information you put in there. But being on your desktop, you're not worried about SEO or Facebook or Google or anybody else. You just want this to work on your desktop. Okay, so you see here, body size, background color. This is that grey color. In behind the actual kaleidoscope, we've left it as white. So if you want to change the color of the backgrounds, and that I'll go into that detail a little bit later. It's quite easy to do that. So the main thing we need to, I wanted to show you here, and it seems to have wrapped around, okay, is this is where you need to change the image. So this has image, myimage.png. So before we change that, that's this one here, okay, and then we're going to go on to, back to where we were. We're going to copy that. I'm going to go on PC, not sure what it is for Mac. We're going to copy H. We're going to paste that in there, which we've already done, because we want to find it and then we want to replace it with the next image. So let's go back into the folder. Let's pick up the capture 2. Go back to our notepad. Put in capture 2 dot png. Replace all. Save. Then we can go back to our page and refresh, and there we have that. We have this other one in there. Okay, so it doesn't give you as it's not as full as the my image one, and that's because of the way that the image itself has been produced. So if we go back and have a look in here, there's a lot of space and it's not actually done in a circle. So you made this in an ellipse and brought it through, then you would be able to do all sorts of weird and wonderful things. So let's do the pizza. Let's go back to the, oh, that's not the one, that's for my next video. So we're going to go to Notepad, come down to here, do the same thing, highlight this, go to H, we want to replace it with pizza, there you go, and save. and then refresh here, and there's our pizza. Gives you all sorts of weird, wonderful pizza images. Um, yeah, I could really see that being used on a food lovers cover. All right. Okay, so let's another one I want to try is the Sudoku. I mean, why not? See what it looks like. And down here, go to the pizza, go to H, change it from pizza to number 2, save, go back to the page, refresh it. Ha! Oh, that's awesome. Oh, well, I like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, even that. Wow. See, so you can put any type of image in here and have lots and lots and lots of fun. And also the beauty of it being a repetitive pattern. Gosh, I could see the reuse in that. All right, so there you go. That's how to change the images on your desktop. And now we'll go through and we'll show you the changing of the colors. So, unless you know what the RGBA colors are that you want to use, there's plenty of online solutions for that. Or I like, because I use Photoshop, I can just come straight into Photoshop and go have a look and see the background. Let's say we want to have a real contrast. Okay, we'll use this here. So the RGBA there is 124. So we'll bring this up. 124. And the next one is 196. 196 and 251. 251. And we'll bring this down to 5. This is white in behind the kaleidoscope itself, so I'm going to show you what it looks like being changed just to black. It's quite interesting what it does. And we'll put that onto 5 as well. Save. Go back to refreshing here. So now we've got the blue background, and with this particular image you're not actually going to see the background because there's no part in the puzzle that's actually transparent. So let's go change back to my image, because this is one that really caught my eye when I changed the background in the kaleidoscope to black. It was quite amazing. Very nice. So Control H again. Change. And then go back to our web page, refresh, and there, look at that. All the white has been changed to that black, but it's got a 0.5 opacity, so it doesn't give you the real deep black that's in the image. So, but if you wanted that, that's easy enough to do. You just go back into here, open up the notepad, and it's already set for black. So what do we put a 0.8 opacity? So that's going to make it quite a bit darker. And do this. refresh, and there you are. See, it's just opens up the different opportunities and options. Imagine if you needed I mean, you could use this just for putting a bit of color in there already when you're doing your coloring book or a cover, you know. Fancy if you kept this here and you just made that a contrasting color, you know, blood red or orange or whatever. Okay, so that's all you need to know there. So we've actually covered how to create your patterns, how to save them, how to increase to the 300 dpi. You've seen the files that you need to have to work this, and it's just those. So when you're creating your own images, try and keep them in the Eclipse, or just test. I'm not going to tell you to keep it in any particular, whether it's Eclipse Square or whatever. Just keep testing. You know, do some octagons or do some triangles and just see how all that works out in your kaleidoscope. Just be creative. That's all you need to do. And then I've showed you how to change the colors for the real background and the background on the kaleidoscope, and that's it. Have a lot of fun and enjoy this. I know I've spent a lot of hours playing with different images, and it's just absolutely awesome. Okay, guys and gals, thanks very much for watching. My name's Ron, and I'm out of here. Catch you later. Bye for now.